Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate Yarn giveaway, and with this giveaway you get the 2 skeins of yarn I showed in the previous video. If anybody would like to be a member, you can sign up under me, and the link is down below. Below this in the description, you can put in the promo code Jewel20 and get 20% off your first month. Also, I have 2 Amazon books for sale that are listed down below. And if anybody wants to join my Facebook group or page that's new, those links are down below. And my Etsy shop has crochet mugs in it. If anybody's interested, I have a promotion 15% off right now. So let's see who the winner is. Please contact me with your information with my email that's listed down below as well. So my email is listed down below. And congratulations, Donna Arsenault. Okay, it says, ooh, I love this box. I just finished a sweater for my grandson. Now I'm working on a blanket for my BFF, a shawl for a donation, and finishing up a cell holder for my cousin. Good luck, everyone. Congratulations, Donna. Please contact me within a week. If I don't hear back within about a couple of weeks, then I'll have to pick a new winner. My information is my email, which is down below. Just contact me with your information so I can mail it out as soon as possible. Okay, thank you everybody for participating, and thank you everybody for subscribing. Please be a subscriber. Look out for new giveaways coming out. I try to do a few every month now. Okay, and there's new video tutorials that are out right now too. I just finished up the 8 petal flower. If you haven't seen that one, that just came out a few days ago. So look out for that one. I also just did a puff stitch square and a few other videos just recently too. Okay, thank you everybody, and please subscribe.